And on.
Welcome back to No Winning. I'm Abram, and I'm going to be doing some unboxing. Number one on the list is...
we're not even ready. You're not even ready. What does Kevin Hart say? He's like, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
All right, what do we got? What do we got? Let's see here. Small box.
What is this for? Is this for me or for you?
The Forester.
That one.
Oh, all right.
Oh, where are we putting that? Where are we going to install this one?
That's a flag. What? We're doing 2 unboxings today.
For 1 box.
All right, let's see. What is it?
What does the box say?
Subaru FA Turbo Blanket Lava.
Is this like the one we put on one of these? Oh, that's nice. Hey, it's got like more like sidewall on it.
Yeah, for sure. Nice.
I don't know. You gonna open it completely?
Woo.
Oh, hey.
Hey, this is
that's
nice.
Super legit. I think we did the PTP one on the.
Oh, it even has like a little.
Like a
little protectant to like a mesh so it won't get all over your
hands. That's really smart. You want to know something funny? Is I have a FactionFab one exactly like that.
But it won't be. I don't think it's the same.
No. But for this one or for the silver one, and I haven't even unboxed it yet.
This is nice, man. It feels.
The quality, just like looking at it from here, looks really good.
It's really nice. All right, what else? What else?
Oh, the twine.
My favorite part, a sticker.
Oh, the sticker.
Oh, the twine. Yeah.
Honestly,
we'll see if it works or not. It's pretty. It looks pretty stiff.
I use the springs on mine, I think.
Hey, we can always work them. All right, 1 down.
1 down. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Brace yourself.
Oh. That one's kind of heavy.
Oh, we're doing one at a time? Make people wait for like a week for to see what it is.
Man, come on, you're killing me. All right, let's go.
All right, that was it. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back next week.
All right, let's see here.
Good idea.
Some more.
Let's tie that to the back of your car.
Oh my god. Another box. 4 unboxings today.
4 unboxings with 2 boxes.
Didn't say what it is.
It's a box.
It's for the Forester anyways.
The same one we just looked at right now?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, quality. Quality.
Alright, this is a master cylinder brace by Cusco. Made in Japan. Man, it's got some weight to it.
Man, this looks and feels like high quality. Like,
yeah, I like it. It's good. So why did I get this? Because so I can get the brake pedal to feel more responsive. Because of the firewall flex.
Yes.
So definitely get one.
So
right,
when are we installing these?
Huh?
We haven't installed anything on the Forester yet.
I know. Well, we got a few things on there.
The stock one, you mean? The stock Forester or the which one? Because
stock looking what we wanted.
From here it looks stock.
Yeah. All right. So that's all I got today. I sit on the brace.
Why do we get this one for?
Because it's really hot right now.
What's the temperature outside? Oh, it was only 80.
Yeah, it's supposed to pull up faster.
It's only 84.
So I'm down to put this on. Just gotta find a time. So yeah, that's it. That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
Follow us for the next video. We got an Instagram now, so we'll put it here somewhere in the corner from the video. What else? Check out Tsomatsi Beats. We're gonna put his YouTube. Tsomatsi's got a YouTube, so you can go look at his stuff and follow him and listen to his stuff. Out.